just doing it for the fun.
No primer under there.
No, they do a pretty lousy job.
Lenny. Yeah, I suggested that we go through the wiring, straighten it up, and then maybe send it off to be loomed. Wow. He needs a blower in both of those, because this, look at this, that's the back of the switch. There's no insulation on anything. And he's just absolutely frying inside.
You can just put a blower of that right there, can't you?
Yeah.
My dad was
I just put the welt.
My dad was at the Battle of the Bulge. He died back in '99. He would never talk. He never talked about it.
Is there a way to put the heat shield on the hood and not
An older brother and a younger brother, the three of us spent 12 and a half years.
So which division were you in? Was it the
Well, I was in an aircraft, yeah.
an aircraft out on one of the boats?
When they second
A rover. An Interceptor 3. A Lotus.
Yeah, so go around these trees as far side, that'll give you better angle.
sit up at 3 in the morning, look out, the paint was already wet. Mainly because of the breeze. Up in the rain, it was actually quite good. It didn't take long.
Howdy. Oh man. Let me take a picture.
Oh, thank you.
Sometimes they have that. Now back to my stand. All right.
Yes, thank you. I got these. Yeah, they go to that GT6. That car doesn't even have an oil.
I would guess it would work. I don't know. What if you use
How did you guys get this thing?
drove it?
Enjoying a sports car, but Gassman Automotive has not taken the paint out of. We invite you to come into our facility during business hours so that you can see how our processes are carried out and care that we put into each and every vehicle.
We pulled this out of paint 14 days ago, and then we've been
I watched your video pinching that engine.
beating on it, trying to get everything in without doing any real damage. But it's I tell you, it's been a labor of love, that's for sure. I mean, when you these.
Does anybody have any idea of how many man hours are going into this?
We're not really keeping track of it. It's probably better. It's already sold, so we'd rather not know.
It is already sold.
Yeah, it was. We were going to take it to auction. We wanted to set the new world record for a Healy sale, and we were pretty sure we could. And then we got a buyer that offered us what the record is, so we won't get to set a record at auction. But it is going to set definitely the biggest Healy we've ever sold. But the detail, the level of detail, every clamp is actually the original clamp and the original nut and bolt on this car. The vast majority of them, anyways. The clamps are all hand blasted and then hand plated. Just so much of the repro stuff is not exact. Pebble Beach is that way. Been one show, right, Phil? I'm not sure. Okay, one or two shows tops before you can, you're not allowed to have them. So, and it's funny because it's an invite only, which means that you have this car out there to be seen, to be invited. Oh yeah, it's not about winning Pebble Beach, it's just about being invited. It's the Ferrari, the top left car in that banner, that went to the Ferrari National Capital Classic in Florida, and we were going to put it in another